I greet you, my dear guest. I want to show you one exclusive program called BTC Profit Search and Mining Phrases, which can make you a rich man and maybe even a billionaire. And I'm not kidding, it is a billionaire. There are a lot of lost Bitcoin wallets on the internet, access to which was lost for various reasons. Each of these Bitcoin wallets stores from several tens to several $billion, and there are millions of such wallets. In order to access them, you need to pick up a secret phrase of 12 words to the wallet. The list for the secret phrase is limited and always consists of 2048 identical words. Some of these words will be present in any secret phrase. You need to choose 12 words in the correct order, after which you will have full access to the wallet and all the funds that are stored on it. But it's almost impossible to do it manually, and just for such purposes a special software was written that automatically sorts out millions of possible options so that you and I can get access to digital gold. During the launch of the program, some antiviruses can block important files that are necessary for the program to work because we use specific software. This is a false alarm of the antivirus. It sometimes happens, even when running official software such as Steam. If your antivirus blocks the program, just add these files to the exception of your antivirus, and the program will work, as shown in the video. I removed my antivirus altogether after it started blocking some files from the Steam gaming platform. Do not worry about the security of your computer. This program does not contain viruses. We have been using it for 3 months and no problems were detected. And so, this program searches for Bitcoin wallets with a balance and tries to find a secret phrase for them. To get full access to the lost wallet, all you need to do is run the program and then go about your business, while the program picks up secret phrases for lost wallets. It's not a quick process, but it's worth it. When the secret phrase is found, a Bitcoin wallet with a balance and a secret phrase will appear in the file, and you will be able to use it to enter the wallet and withdraw all the funds available on it. As you can see, the program finds empty wallets at the moment. You can check that the program really works and go to any of these wallets. I'll show you an example of the Electrum Bitcoin wallet. Look how I am doing it, and just repeat after me. As you can see, we have gained access to this wallet, and we can also observe that the wallet addresses match, so you can go to any of these wallets and check everything yourself. When the program finds a wallet with a balance, do the same actions that I showed, and you will be able to withdraw all the funds that are there. This program connects to a special database. This is done in order that it did not use phrases again that it has ever searched at each new launch. This reduces the search time significantly and increases the chances of winning for all participants in our project. Previously, this program was sold for $1,500 in our private club, but now you have the opportunity to download it for free and try your luck. At the time of recording the video, 83 lost Bitcoin wallets had already been found, with $349 and up to 918.87 in their account. Run the program and wait. And in order to increase your chances, install the program on all computers available to you, at work, with your friends, with your relatives. You can also ask your classmates to use the program, so your chances will increase tenfold. Remember, the more computers you use, the higher your chances of getting the treasure. The download link is in the description to this video. Use this wonderful program, but remember, you have to be patient, and you will definitely get lucky. My dear guest, in the next video I will show you if I manage to find a wallet with money and what amount is stored on it. Also, if you have a desire to thank me, details are in the description. Subscribe to the channel and like it. There will be a lot of interesting things ahead. Success to everyone and see you soon.